G'day guys, Greg here. Now it is product review time once again, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Heart and Soul No Nasty Satay Chicken with the goodness of brown rice, ready to heat and eat. It also says it's gluten-free, dairy-free, full of protein and fibre. I do love me some fibre, as long as it doesn't give me the runs. Although, if it does, I wouldn't mind that either. And it's got an expiry date of like a year, so I don't know how chicken can last in a packet for over a year, but I wonder how much chicken's actually in it. Let's suss out the ingredients. Well, it's a chicken satay sauce, which is water and coconut milk, 7.7%, chicken 6.2%, peanuts 3.3%, coconut sugar 3.6%, and well, there's 40% rice, 2.5% quinoa, red rice, chia seeds, and lemongrass. Oh boy. And it's 1803 kilojoules, which means I could eat like 4.5 or 5 of these every day and not put on weight. Anyway, I can't wait to open it up and have a look. Let's do that. Okay, well, here's quite a large sachet. And then it's your brown rice and red rice and quinoa in there. Sweet. Right, well, how do we cook it? Remove lid and contents of bowl. Who said that? Empty rice in the bowl, empty sauce sachet over rice. No worries, mate. Rest lid on top of bowl, do not close. I can do that. Microwave on high, 90 seconds. Well, that sounds easy. Remove from microwave, stir through and enjoy. Let's do that. Right. All right, so first, empty the rice in there. Oh, it's still moist, even after like a year and a half. Now we put this sauce in. There's a little tear thing there, so that always makes life easier. And add this over the top. Oh boy, it's got some nice colours there. It's got like that reddish sort of colour in there, which indicates me that it could have some flavour. I'm not seeing big chunks of chicken though. It might be ground up chicken or something. Anyway, just fold that over and give it a good last squeeze. Oh yeah. Okay, now we just rest the lid on top. Whack it in the old nougat for 90 seconds. Okay, well here it is. Ta-da! I gotta tell you, this kitchen smells pretty good. It smells like a real authentic satay. And yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. So I'll stir it thoroughly. I'll let it cool down a bit and then I'll tuck on in. Alright, well here it is. Let's see if I can get some of this sauce, see what that's like. Wow. That actually tastes really good. Tastes authentic. Tastes like one I'd get from a restaurant. Alrighty, come at me. I mean, that tastes fine. It tastes restaurant quality. It's really good. The ratio to rice there with sauce, I mean, that's all right too. There's a little chewiness there from the different kinds of rice and the quinoa and that, but I mean, that's all right. I did sort of half get a chunk of chicken there. It seems to be more shredded in there. But I did get some and it tasted fine. Mate, the whole meal of this actually tastes really good. I wasn't expecting it to. I thought it'd be absolute rubbish, but it tastes good. The satay in this is really good. Like, it's got the nice classical peanut taste about it. It hasn't got big chunks of peanut in it though, but the taste of it is definitely peanut. It's got a nice warmth that sort of runs down the back of my throat, which is really nice. It's not too sweet. Mate, it's just perfect tasting. If you got this in a restaurant, you'd be more than happy and you'd rub your belly and go,
gee, that was a good satay.
that's how I know this is a good satay. At the end of the day, you're only getting like half the container worth full. But I mean, how much is that? 250 grams? I mean, that's a decent enough feed. I mean, it's not going to fill you up or anything. But if you're on a diet, mate, that's a perfect size, I reckon. Or snack size. I'm really surprised at how good this tastes. And for that reason, it's getting a Grego's thumb up. Mate, this is really tasty. They've got a few other ones there that, well, I wouldn't mind trying as well. So if you're into this sort of thing, mate, keep your eye out for this brand. This is really tasty. And I would definitely get another one of these again. There you go, Heart and Soul No Nasty Satay Chicken. Well worth trying if you're into these sorts of fast snacks. Well, I hope this helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat a snack. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger